Welcome. Invoicing should be one of the most predictable parts of your week. Same flow, same rules, every cycle. In this video, we'll walk through how billing in the cloud makes that happen. We'll cover how invoices are built, how the order level view helps you review them, and how email delivery is configured. With billing, invoicing comes to you. The order level view surfaces issues with built-in statuses and exceptions, so you only review what needs attention, not every job. Refine and align billables in bulk across each order, then roll them into accurate invoices in one pass, right the first time, and ready for accounts receivable. In invoicing settings, the email settings panel gives you two switches: automatically email invoices and automatically email credit memos. Flip them on, and billing sends invoices and credits the moment they're created, as long as the customer has an invoice notification contact on file. Behind every invoice is a simple rule. Billing groups billables that share the same customer, project, order, legal entity, and document type. Credits never mix with invoices. Optional toggles, combine primary order and split by purchase order. Turn this on and PO joins the list. When everything matches, you get one invoice with a clean section for each order inside. Email toggles are only part of the setup. To deliver invoices or credit memos, the customer needs an invoice notification contact with a valid email address under Contacts and Attachments. If a project has its own invoice notification contact, it overrides the customer contact for that project's invoices. If no invoice notification contact exists, the invoice is still created. It just won't be emailed. From the billing order level view, you can check the statuses of the billables to see which ones are ready for invoicing. You can filter down easily to just those that are ready to be invoiced and select to invoice those. When you choose Review an Invoice, you'll be taken to a window where you can verify the invoice date selected or change it to a different date if needed. You can also verify what invoice template is being selected and get a quick peek at that invoice template. If I want to download a copy of the invoice to review it and make sure all the details are correct, I can choose to download all to create a zip file of the pro forma versions of the invoice. Then, once I'm ready to invoice, I can click Process and the invoices will get created per my settings. Once invoices are created, you can download the invoice PDFs as a zip file. These are the actual invoice copies. Or you can choose to download the accounting exports from this window. These are formatted for import into your accounting system. If your settings are set to automatically email invoices or credit memos, those emails will go out as these invoices are being processed. Once you select Done, these billables leave the queue. Now you can move on to the next group that are ready to be invoiced. All invoices can then be found in your invoice register. And that's it. Invoicing made predictable. Fewer surprises, fewer reprints, and a tighter handoff to AR every single time. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact our team with any questions or visit commandalcon.com to learn more.